Hello again, friends, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary life of one of the world's most captivating and impactful figures, Elon Musk. His story isn't just about spacecraft and electric vehicles, it's a tale of ambition, setbacks, relationships, and an unwavering drive to improve the world. Picture a shy young boy tucked away in a corner, engrossed in a thick book. That was Elon Musk, born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. Unlike other children, Elon wasn't drawn to typical games. He was captivated by science fiction and exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. His parents, Errol Musk, an engineer, and May Musk, a model and nutritionist, had contrasting personalities. They parted ways when Elon was only 9. After their divorce, Elon stayed with his father, but their bond was strained and lacked warmth. He later called his childhood solitary and tough. Yet, Elon found solace in his grand aspirations, envisioning interplanetary travel, creating robots, and transforming the world. At school, Elon faced bullying. Classmates mocked his quiet nature and love for books. Once, a group of boys pushed him down a staircase, landing him in the hospital. Instead of retaliating, Elon sought refuge in his books and his computer. At age 10, he got his first computer and was hooked. Within months, he taught himself coding. By 12, he had developed a video game called Blaster and sold it for $500. At 17, Elon left South Africa, yearning for the opportunities in the United States. He first moved to Canada, his mother's birthplace, where he took on grueling jobs, sweeping floors, working on farms, and chopping wood to make ends meet while chasing his dreams. In 1992, Elon earned a scholarship to the University of Pennsylvania, studying physics and economics. Beyond academics, he was consumed with ideas to revolutionize the world. After graduating, he and his brother Kimball launched Zip2, a company that built online city guides for newspapers. Elon worked tirelessly, often sleeping at the office. In 1999, Zip2 sold for $307 million, making 27-year-old Elon a millionaire. But Elon's ambitions didn't stop. He founded X.com, which evolved into PayPal. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion. While others might have retired in luxury, Elon's focus remained on changing the world. Space had always called to him. In 2002, he started SpaceX to make space travel accessible. Early on, the journey was rocky. 3 rocket launches failed, draining millions. Critics ridiculed him, and by 2008, Elon was nearly broke. His personal life was also unraveling. His marriage to Justine Musk, a Canadian author and mother to their 5 children, Griffin, Xavier, Kai, Saxon, and Damien, ended in divorce that year. But then, in December 2008, SpaceX's 4th launch succeeded, and Elon wept with relief. NASA took notice, granting SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. Post-divorce, Elon began a relationship with British actress Tallulah Riley. They married in 2010, divorced in 2012, remarried in 2013, and parted again in 2016, a roller coaster mirroring Elon's life. Later, he dated musician Grimes, Claire Boucher, and they welcomed 2 children with distinctive names, XAEA-12 Musk, nicknamed X, and X, a dark sidereal Musk, called Y. Elon's relationships, like his personality, are intense, complex, and full of passion. Beyond space, Elon aimed to save Earth. In 2004, he joined Tesla Motors, betting on electric cars to combat climate change. Skeptics scoffed, but Tesla's Model S, Model 3, and Model X proved them wrong, making Tesla a global leader in electric vehicles. Today, it's among the world's most valuable car companies. Elon also launched SolarCity for clean energy, the Boring Company for innovative transportation tunnels, Neuralink to merge human brains with technology, and OpenAI to advance safe artificial intelligence. Yet, controversy follows him, his tweets often spark debate, and some view his risks as reckless. Still, his dreams never waver. Now, Elon's grandest vision is colonizing Mars through SpaceX, aiming to make humanity multiplanetary. He believes Earth's future is uncertain, and we must prepare. Despite his wealth, Elon lives modestly, often sleeping in his factories and working grueling hours. He once said, "I don't care about being remembered for wealth. I want to be remembered for improving humanity." Elon Musk's saga is one of unyielding ambition. After building giants like Tesla, SpaceX, and PayPal, he faced a pivotal question: what's next? How can I further serve humanity? His answer was bold yet massive: make humans a multiplanetary species. While many dismissed Mars exploration as fantasy, Elon began making it real. At SpaceX, his goal wasn't just sending astronauts to space but enabling ordinary people to travel there. He envisioned a Martian city for millions to live and prosper. To achieve this, he introduced Starship, a groundbreaking spacecraft for cargo and passengers. Building it was challenging, test flights often ended in explosions, and critics jeered. But Elon persisted, saying, "Failure is part of innovation. If you're not failing, you're not pushing hard enough." By 2023, SpaceX's successful Starship test flight brought Mars colonization closer to reality. Elon is also a devoted father, calling his 10 children his greatest motivation. Despite his packed schedule, he carves out time for them. Rejecting traditional education, he founded Ad Astra, a school for his kids focused on problem-solving and creativity. In an interview, he shared, "I want my kids to embrace hard work and never fear failure." His personal life remains intricate. After Justine and Tallulah, his relationship with Grimes drew attention. Their creative spirits clashed at times, but their shared passion for innovation bonded them. Their unconventional family, with 2 uniquely named children, captivated the world. Elon has admitted that balancing his intense work life with relationships is tough, yet he strives for harmony. Another visionary project is the Boring Company, tackling urban traffic with underground tunnels. Its loop system, where electric vehicles zip through tunnels at high speeds, showcases Elon's ability to think beyond the ordinary. Elon Musk's path has been far from easy, marked by challenges and triumphs that define his relentless pursuit of a better future. He's faced countless challenges, from financial struggles to public criticism. At one point, both SpaceX and Tesla were on the brink of bankruptcy. Elon had to make a painful decision: I could save either SpaceX or Tesla, but not both. Instead of giving up, Elon invested every penny he had into both companies. He even had to borrow money to pay for his personal expenses. Against all odds, both companies survived, and today they're thriving. Elon often says, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Elon Musk is a polarizing figure. Some people admire his brilliance, while others criticize his bold statements and unconventional methods. But love him or hate him, there's no denying his impact on the world. He once tweeted, "I don't care if people hate me as long as it pushes humanity forward." Elon's outspoken nature has sparked debates on issues like artificial intelligence, climate change, and freedom of speech. He believes that healthy debate is essential for progress. Elon's ultimate goal is to create a sustainable human colony on Mars. He imagines a world where thousands of people live in domed cities, grow their own food, and explore the red planet. When asked why he's so obsessed with Mars, Elon replied, "Earth is beautiful, but it won't last forever. We need a backup plan for humanity." He envisions a future where children grow up dreaming of becoming Martians. Elon Musk's story is not just about technology or money, it's about the power of believing in yourself. He has proven that even the biggest dreams can come true with hard work, persistence, and a fearless attitude. From a bullied boy in South Africa to one of the most influential people in the world, Elon Musk has shown us that failure is not the end, it's just a stepping stone to success. Today, Elon Musk stands as a symbol of innovation and courage. He has transformed industries, inspired millions, and left a legacy that will last for generations. In his own words, "You get one life. Don't waste it being afraid. Dream big, take risks, and work hard." The world needs dreamers who can turn ideas into reality. As Elon continues his journey to Mars, we're reminded that nothing is impossible for those who dare to dream. If Elon Musk's story inspired you, share this video with someone who needs a little motivation today. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories that will change the way you see the world. Keep dreaming big, my friends, and we'll see you in the next video.